everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a massive declutter. For those of you who know me, you know that I never stay home alone ever. I avoid it at all costs unless somebody's staying with me at home. And so recently my family went on a trip and I was in and out of my car. I pretty much lived out of my car. I just had like so much stuff in my car based on like coming back and like grabbing stuff for like a certain dinner or like a certain like get together with friends, and like I just leave it in my car. And like I took out the main bag of stuff that I would like refill and like unrefill when I would come home for like a couple minutes and like exchange my clothes and you know, get new undergarments and stuff like that. So in little words, I basically put a lot of my clothes and a lot of my stuff is all cluttered up in my car. So for this video, I wanted to show you guys how I declutter, especially after things like this. So my room is quite a mess because I had to, you know, come in and out very quickly. I had work, I've been doing schoolwork, kind of overwhelmed with a lot of things. And the funny thing about this video is that I should be writing an essay that is due in 2 days, and I'm actually going to Disneyland on Saturday. Today's a Thursday, so I don't really have that many days to get it done, but I'm gonna make it work. Future Nicole speaking, I made it work, woohoo! So yeah, for this video, I'm gonna go through a couple of steps and yeah, guys, so don't make fun of me, but this is all the stuff that's on my floor right now, and it's disgusting, so let's just take a look. So the first step that I like to do is I will make my bed. It's one of the main things that I do in the morning, so I'm gonna make my bed. This isn't very difficult. I already kind of started. I'm just going to adjust my pillows and adjust my sheets to make sure that they're tight and looks nice. And then step 2, I will take anything from the floor and put that onto my bed. Okay, so now I'm going to be taking any trash that I find in my room, which I forgot to mention is a step. So I'm going to take anything, any glasses, like just for example, like over there, and some trash that I need to throw away. Step 3, anything that's on the floor as well, I'll sort those out into piles. Okay, so anything I throw off the bed is probably laundry, so that's what I'm doing with all that. Okay, so this is an item that I'm just going to be selling on Depop. I just want to throw that out there. I don't know. I just don't need it, so if you want to go check out my Depop, there's a cute little jacket on there, so check it out. Okay, so I just finished piling up everything here. For step 4, I'm going to go down to my car and I'm going to grab anything and everything that doesn't belong there and put it into trash bags. And I'll bring it upstairs, sort that out, whether it be clothes. an issue when you have like your literal prom dress in here. Like literally my prom dress. Ow. I'm embarrassed at how much stuff I have in here. It's so gross. This bag is really What? Why do you look like that? I think like the heat deformed it. Okay, so I think I have everything gathered into bags. I'm gonna go ahead and walk those inside, bring them upstairs, and I'll get back to you guys when I get there. So I just got all the stuff out of my car. I have it all right here in these trash bags. Before. So I finally finished. And then we're gonna put everything away, and yeah. All right, so after tons of cleaning, and so this is all the stuff I need to hang. This is all my boyfriend's stuff. Like, he usually lets me borrow like shirts, and like some of those t-shirts are mine that like he's let me keep, but yeah, sorry, Cade. This is skirts, shorts, and that's it. These are all tops. Pajamas. This is all my work clothes. That is workout stuff, and this is all my pants, and then these are my shoes, more shoes, miscellaneous. This is bathing suits. This is miscellaneous right here, and purses. So. So I have officially finished putting away all of the clothes. The last thing I'm going to do is put all of this laundry into my basket. I'm going to do a load of laundry, and then I think we are done. So let's go ahead and do that.
Feeling good, like I should. When in dark, I walk around the neighborhood. Feeling blessed, never stressed. Got that sunshine.
Alright everyone, so I think I am officially done with everything. I'm going to give you guys a final overview of my clean and spotless room because it took so long, like seriously so long. And that just shows how deep of a clean it was because, wow, or maybe I just had like a ton of stuff that was just like not meant to be there. So anyways, that concludes this video. Thank you guys all for watching. I hope that you enjoyed, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you guys have any video recommendations, please leave those in the comments down below. So I hope this helps. I don't know. So yeah, I'm just gonna do a final pan over the final result, and yeah, thank you guys all for watching and enjoy your day. Bye!